his shit together.
I hate everything, man. We've already ruined the surprise. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look behind the curtain, won't you? I'm bad at preparing for these things. Sasuga me, Calliope Mori, who ruins everything I touch.
Sasuga.
Freaking Sasuga. Alright, well... Look, okay, for the sake of not getting, like, being allowed to be monetized, this isn't blood. It's ketchup, right? People love, or actually no, it's barbecue sauce. People love barbecue sauce with chicken, correct?
Especially on chicken.
Yes. So in this case, I would have to say, what is coming out of your mouth is barbecue sauce. 100%.
It makes sense. Cause like you hit me from behind, and then I spewed out because I just ate too much chicken with barbecue. So it makes sense. Oh, I just understood what that even means, because like if I didn't get it, like why do I show up again in the end? Is that because I revived again?
I suppose so. That's the only explanation that I can come up with.
And you're like, is she gone now? Is she finally gone? And then like behind you, hello.
Oh my god.
Oh, Kikiriki!
Kikiriki, man. Kikiriki.
But still bleeding.
This is from Reddit.
I saw this one. It's really funny.
This is perfect. Perfectly describes our relationship.
We said yeah. Of course, because we're working together. You see how we work together here?
Yes.
Isn't that it?
How we typically go about our business. Ridiculous, but also very accurate to us, I would have to say. I'm going to find the source for this. I will not allow this to go unsourced because this is magnificent.
Yeah, that super cool rapper pose on you. It's so good.
Yes, very accurate to me. This we got from Senpai! Miko Senpai! Arigato! Kawaii ne! Kawaii!
Arigato! I was so happy about this when I saw that. It's so adorable since she's writing these daily and she's writing her diaries. And they're so adorable. And I was so surprised when she wrote about us. It's so adorable. We can talk in elite English very soon.
Yes, surely. 英会話しましょう 一緒に
Yeah. I think you can really teach her some good English.
Probably. ぜひぜひやりたいと思います。やってみたいよ。
ミコ先輩、今度コラボしましょう。
お願いします。3人で。
ありがとう、本当に。
英会話、ちょっと待ってね。楽しい英会話します。God fucking life.
Yeah!
I suck so bad. I know enough. That's always what Japanese acquaintances will tell me is, I'll say, my Nihongo is very heta, and they will say, you know enough. And that's like the biggest backhanded compliment you can ever receive from someone, right? It's enough. 十分ですよね。あなたの日本語十分です。
It's good enough. Yeah.
It's good enough. Oh well.
It's elite Nihongo.
Elite, indeed.